Hello traders everywhere, Jeremy Lutz coming to you from the digital studios of Market Club. And big tech earnings have boosted the NASDAQ as well as the S&P 500 today, as with the NASDAQ gaining over 2% on the day, spurred by big earnings in the tech sector, which had been coming under substantial profit taking as of late. It was kind of giving us some what I would call up and down days the last few days or week or so. But with that, we'll start with the S&P 500, currently up almost 0.7% on the day, issuing a new green daily trade triangle today. Chart analysis scores plus 100 with green trade triangles across the board, indicating that the strong trend is still in place. Key level to watch next week will be 2,541.60. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position. The laggard of the three indexes today has been the Dow's, only up, is barely unchanged on the day actually. Chart analysis score still plus 100 with green trade triangles across the board, indicating that the strong trend is still in place, kind of hovering above those, right around those all-time highs. Key level to watch would be 22,739.38. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position. NASDAQ, as you can see, really jumped out of the range here today, gaining a little over 2% on the day with a chart analysis score plus 100, indicating that that strong trend is still in place. Currently trading at 6,691.83. Key level to watch should be 6,517.93. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position. Dollar index has actually jumped up close to the $95 level at 94.93 with a chart analysis score plus 60. We're looking for a new monthly trade triangle at 96.06 next week, and that will actually change as we get in the November all update middle of next week. Our number is going to be a little bit lower for a new monthly green monthly trade triangle for the dollar index. Key level to watch too will be 92.59. A move back below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a short position for the US dollar. Crude oil currently trading up 53.66, up almost 2% on the day with a chart analysis score plus 100. The green trade triangles across the board, indicating that that strong trend is still in place for crude oil. Key level to watch should be 51.89. A move below that level would issue a red daily trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position. Gold currently trading at 1,271.50, up about 0.25% on the day. However, its chart analysis score still negative 60, indicating that the short-term downtrend is still in place with a red daily trade triangle that we entered that short trade on October 17th. Key level to watch would be 1,283.80. A move above that level would issue a green daily trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position. And we're going to move along here. We'll actually take a couple looks at the big winners on earnings yesterday. First one up is Google, currently trading 1,043.93, up a little over 5% on the day with chart analysis score at plus 90. Moving along to Microsoft. Again, up above, huge gap up today, 84.36 with a chart analysis score plus 90, up a little over 7% on the day. And the common theme for all of these was cloud computing, and Google's searches were up, especially in Asia. And Amazon was the big winner on the day. Chart analysis score plus 100, currently trading at 1,098.70, up a little over 12% on the day. And this is because they had a huge earnings beat. Most of Wall Street was looking for 3 cents a share, and they actually reported 52 cents a share, mostly based on their web services and cloud business being the primary driver, as well as their acquisition of Whole Foods is already starting to pay dividends for them as well. Every success. Have a great trading day, and we'll be back next week with your market updates.